Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It is the 25th of June, 2013, and the market took another dip hard there. So where are we going from here? It looks like a little bit of a red bar, green bar. We might just get a little bit of a dip here early on, retest that, and I think it might come back up to the 1600 level for another attempt to go down. So I think we might get a little bit of reprieve here. Get a little bit of rally here, get everybody excited, and then peter out at the 1600, which is was support, now is resistance. Looking for an eventual move at least to the 1540 area here eventually. So a little bit down early in the morning, then a rally today, back up to 1600, and then perhaps down. That's kind of how I'm seeing it. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. Remember, I'm only 60-70% right. If you can get that good, that's enough. In the bonds, look, with that little up rally, we might get this thing to come back up to the trend line a little bit. There's been a big bond sell-off here, so that might get a little bit of reprieve. However, that's still just coming up in a down market, so maybe back up here onto the channel and then potentially further down later on. So just keep that in mind. This is a short-term counter-trend rally here. On the Forex, same kind of deal, looking for a little movement here in the morning, and then maybe we get a little bit of reprieve and a little bit of rally here. But again, I'm not thinking this is a major continuation to the upside, but rather just a counter trend rally and a move further down. Same thing on the pound. Pound might be a little bit more positive, so this might hold up a little bit better. So if you are going to get long, maybe this is the one to get long. We'll see, unless they come out with some more bad data. In the yen, looking to work the wedge to the upside. I think eventually work this wedge and eventually break higher at some point, but it might flip-flop around in this wedge today. On the Swiss, trying to make the turn to the upside, working this wedge a little bit to the upside for an eventual break up higher. Okay, on the Aussie, trying to make the turn again. I think it might play a little up movement here today and work in this area though. However, I think the overall trend is still down. On the CAD, blasting up, might come off a little bit back to the break point here at the 104. I've been looking for that last couple days. Let's see if we get it today. In the commodity space, gold in the doghouse. However, it is getting close to buyers down here between the 1200 and the 1250 area here. We might get one little scary dip, and then we might get a nice rally back up to the break point at 1340. So looking for that today. And in the oil, had a nice little rally here, went a little bit further than I thought. Makes me wonder, but I think we might get a little bit continuation to the upside today, and then roll over and come down. So with that, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.